Hi. This evening we have Dawn's Breckwell brand Pellet Stove Controller that Dawn sent to me because it had suffered some electrical damage. So after some troubleshooting, I replaced the solid state relay for the convection room fan. I also repaired the circuit board and replaced the auger indicator light, the LED that fits behind this hole, because the one that was there was fairly dim and nearly impossible to see. So she should have an easier time of seeing that now. So I've tested it, it's running fine, so now's the time to test it, do a final test on it before packaging it up and returning it to Dawn. So I'll go ahead and turn it on, and when I do that we see that two lights come on. We've got the convection room fan motor is getting energized, and so is the combustion fan motor. So both of those are running. Quick test here is the manual feed. If I press forward on this, the yellow auger light will come on and off as long as I keep pressing. And the other test that needs to happen at this point is the fan speed control. So if I press downwards, I go to maximum speed, and I can leave it in that mode until I switch it off. So the fan is running at maximum right now. So I'll go ahead and press the auger button on the controller, and that will allow this green light to come on and start the timer for the pellet. At the same time, I'll have control of the pellet feed controller, and that will make the convection room fan go brighter or dimmer depending on the position. So here we go. I'll press that and we should see that light come on. There it is. And we saw quickly in the background, or underneath the front fascia, the pellet drive indicator light come on. So it takes about 30 seconds for it to go into automatic mode. So we'll just wait for that to happen. I'll back up a little bit to see the yellow light come on when the pellet indicator light comes on. So let's wait for that to happen. There it is, and we saw both of them in that shot. So that's functioning correctly. I'll go through one more cycle still, and then I'll play with the pellet feed controller where we'll see the light go on brighter to indicate that the convection room fan is running longer. There it was. Or running faster, sorry, and to show that the auger drive will last a little longer. So as I step through the different position, we see the light get brighter, so the motor would be running faster and faster. And that also causes the auger to stay on a little bit longer. So there it is. All tests have passed. I'm satisfied that this controller is now functioning correctly, and I can return it to Dawn. Thank you, Dawn, for sending that to me for repairs. I appreciate it.